Landscape design for an existing home begins by creating a site plan and drafting the existing structure and landscape features. The actual design work for a new landscape features will occur later. In this project, we're going to complete an upgraded landscape design for an existing home by creating the site that you see on the screen right now. So we'll get started by starting a new drawing. And I'll just use the default AutoCAD template. I do want to make sure that my dynamic input is off at the status bar. And in fact, the only status bar button I want to be on is my polar tracking. I'll begin by typing in units, and with the pop-up dialog box I will set my unit type to engineering, the precision to 0 feet 0 inches, and then I'll adjust my drawing limits by typing in limits at the command line. I want my lower left limits to be 0 feet 0 inches, which they are by default, so I'll just hit enter. And then the upper right corner limits I want to be at 340 feet, 220 feet. I'll hit enter, and then I'll do a zoom all, Z enter A enter, which forces everything in my drawing area and everything that I draw to be shown on the screen in front of me. I'll go into the polyline command, P-line, and I'll start using the absolute method of coordinate entry. My first point is 150 feet, 30 feet. I'll hit enter, and then I can rubber band around. You see where that is. My next point is going to be 199 feet, 17 feet 6 inches, and that draws the other point. Let me minimize my command window just a little bit. You can see those entries. For my second line, I'm going to use the relative method. So I'll begin with the @ symbol, 15 feet, 9 is the X component. I'm sorry, 15 feet apostrophe 9, 15 feet 9 inches. The Y component is 17 feet, or I'm sorry, 34 feet 5 inches. I'll hit enter. You see the second point there. The third line will be done using the polar method. So again, I'll begin with at 146 feet, 9 inches is my distance, and then the angle, I need to enter the less than sign for the angle symbol, and the actual angle is 85 degrees. Enter. There's my third line. My fourth line is simply done with the polar tracking method. So with polar tracking on at the status bar, I'll move over to 180 degrees, and it should lock on to 180 degrees, and then I'll enter the distance, 94 feet 5 inches. To finish up with my fifth line, I'll just type in C at the command line for close, enter, and I have my site plan created. If I want to check the area of my site, I can do that by entering the area command at the command line. I'll type in O for object, and then I'll select the object, in this case the site, that I want to get the area of. Notice it shows 13,470 square feet at the command line. 13,470.55 square feet. If you have that, you entered everything correctly, and you can go ahead and save your work.